Okay, that's enough.
I can carpool with you.
Tell me what your fantasy.
Look over there. Look over here, honey.
Look at me a little. You're too black.
Tell my dog that. You're perfect the way you are, sweetie.
My first vlog. I guess since you're in this episode, I guess I'm gonna call it The Things We Do for Love.
That sounds stupid.
Guess you don't want to be in it.
Can't stand you.
Is that my phone? Oh. Pet.
Hey, baby. I'm gonna meet y'all at Barbarella because I cannot afford anything today. I'm so poor. Yes, I just came from picking her up from, you know, on the moon, which is where she lives.
First of all, I don't live that far. So, excuse me.
I already did. I just got back home.
Is that?
Okay, as long as we can high five.
A lot.
Yes, like we'll figure this out, but we have to high five.
So since I'm already dressed, you know how I do. You know, I got my makeup, you know, you get your face all beat.
That's my alarm.
And I'm already dressed. I'm already ready. And you know, you just have to wait on certain people that don't know how to get dressed fast. And you know, the funny part is I can see the hate coming from this side. I can see it, you know.
Wow.
Okay. And then, you know, people want to use the wow on you. Wow. Someone says something that you just absolutely do not agree with, or you just don't want to answer. You just go, wow. It's so disappointed.
WOW stands for what? Oh my god, what?
Perfect. We'll have to make a video just on the wow. On the wow. Wait, is that Wendy? Oh no, I thought it was somebody famous. Never. Look how he looking.
I'm sorry, I need better leverage. He's trying to bite me. You're my baby.
He really hates you.
You know what he really hates? When I make him do this with his arms. I make it so cute.
It's so cute. So while I wait for her, trying to decide if I should wear pink or red. So I don't know. Actually, I don't have a tripod, so I'm literally recording myself with one hand and trying to lipstick myself with the other. I don't know. I think it's like, do you feel more red, sultry, serious, or do you feel summertime, pink? These are the decisions that I contemplate. These are the things that I think of. I guess I'm gonna go with the red because I know it'll stay on a bit longer. So I think I'm gonna go with the red. Yeah. And you know what? I'm sitting here trying to do this without a mirror. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with the red. And this is from the Kylie Jenner lip kit. It smells really good. And it's really soft. Kylie Jenner lip kit. Now I'm playing. This is Beauty Store 101. Can you not look at me while I'm trying to do a vlog? What is wrong with you? Can you not make me uncomfortable in my own home? It's so good. Okay, yeah, we gotta find something to eat real quick. You are so needy. You're needy. You don't want to ask me.
You're the neediest kid, and you can't even eat meat, which makes this even more.
My man likes it.
Oh yeah, your man.
My man.
PadFoot with me. Come on, baby.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Frosted Flakes, they're more than good. I have to record everything.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Of course, I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna like snip stuff. Do you have a regular like throwaway bowl? Oh my god.
I know you heard about my reputation. You're gonna need a vacation. I came here and better show me what you get, please. I came to bring the fire because you know I
Might as well get used to cameras being everywhere.
I know I am.
You're obnoxious.
I'm vicious like a viper and I'm ready to turn it on. Work hard, be paid off. That's it. That's the music is blasted. No saying that. Oh no, Mr. Nice Guy. Cause I'm full of type of flutter. I'm vicious like a viper and I'm ready to turn it on. Can I bring my phone down this room?
Do I look like the
Yes, you
the
look like
phone
my
person? Wow. Wow. Am I in focus?
Nope. Well, you're in focus, but you're very dark. Now shut up talking about food to me.
What?
Always being hungry.
Now normal people get hungry?
No.
Normal people eat. just recorded your mouth. My food was still better because I had a bowl of filet mignon.
A bowl of steak? Is that what you just said?
I had a wonderful vegetarian meal today, and it had cream sauce on it. I had asparagus just now, and it was really good.
She's lying.
So
Kudos. Lying. She ate Frosted Flakes.
Kudos to the chef.
Hey, little bear.
No black people allowed.
And I was holding PadFoot and I was like, Granddaddy, give me a hug. And he was like, oh, I want to hug you. I don't want to hug that dog. And I'm like, why not? You don't like my dog? It's like, no. I'm like, why not? Because he's black. He just walked out.
And we're flying. We're flying.
So sweet. Baby.
What? What? Oh. I legit was a bit scared.
Oh.
That is so embarrassing.
I like this one. This is my favorite one. I love this one so much.
Who is this fat guy?
George R. Martin versus J.R.
Oh, okay.
Only a
Dress giant. Ooh, ah. Only a mattress giant.
Ooh,
That was just the worst.
So inappropriate.
So inappropriate. And I feel like no one knew that was inappropriate until like years after the commercial stopped coming on. And as now we're making fun of it. So we had fun.
We have fun.
We had a good time.
That was cool.
And so we is big.
That was good.
And we is cute.
We super cute.
We is cute.
We so cute.
We cute.
We cute.
We so cute. PadFoot, is we cute?
PadFoot say we cute.
Is we cute?
We cute.
We is cute.
Okay.
And obviously we're watching Wesley Snipes right now. Okay.
I wanted to watch Blade too. It's a good movie.
Okay, yes, Blade. Yes, vampire. Where's he? I don't see him.
He's not on camera right now. He's
He
gonna
needs-
show up.
Okay, but he needs to come on camera.
He's
Okay.
going to come on camera really soon because they haven't even
Mija.
gone into like the
Mija.
vampire club yet.
Mija. I need to
Can you
see
quit
him.
calling me Mija?
You can be Mija today.
Hey, Bato, why don't you come over here?
I'm excited to eat this. I'm about to eat this cupcake, y'all. And let me tell y'all something.
You're gonna love it.
Okay, so it is a green tea
Cupcake.
with what kind of frosting?
Jasmine whipped cream
With
frosting.
jasmine whipped cream frosting.
So
And it's gonna be real good. So here it is in this little bowl. You know, this little Tupperware by Ziploc. So I'm gonna try it. Okay, I'm sorry. When I hear noises, I get scared. Because you never know what it is. It could be the Lord. It could be Satan. Anyway, so Raven makes cupcakes. And this cupcake is green tea with a jasmine whipped cream. So I'm going to taste it and we're going to see if it's really good and stuff. Okay. The jasmine is on the turn up.
That's what Mama said. She was like, the cake is good, but the frosting is what does it.
Mmm.
It's good, right? It's a nice, fresh tasting cupcake. Okay, you know what? That face ain't helping.
I hope I wasn't focused. I'm gonna be mad if I'm not.
Do you like it?
I do. Okay, George W. Bush.
Hang on. Let me make this little sleep pat for me.
So this cupcake.
Get out
It's
from
really
under there
good.
and you won't flip out.
It's really good.
One contrary way from hillbilly heaven. Level with the clock. Be ready by then.